I've been using the Allies of Skin Copper Tripeptide and Ectoin Advanced Repair Serum, and I'm thrilled with the results. This serum boasts the highest concentration of copper and ectoin of any serum on the market. It's formulated to repair signs of overexfoliation, pollution, and sun damage, leaving my skin feeling soothed and stronger. Since incorporating it into my routine, I've noticed a significant reduction in irritation and signs of a stronger skin barrier. The serum targets and reverses 7 signs of a damaged skin barrier, and it truly delivers on its promises. My skin recovers more quickly, looks healthier, and feels more resilient. The key ingredients: 2% ectoin, 2% copper lysate complex, 2% acetyl hexapeptide 8 complex, and 1% copper tripeptide complex work synergistically to accelerate skin recovery. The lightweight blue serum also reduces redness and multiple signs of aging, making my complexion more even and youthful. For best results, I shake the bottle well before use and apply 1 to 2 pumps all over my face and neck daily, after cleansing and misting. I follow it with the advanced daily treatment and finish with the 1 SPF in the morning. On days when my skin feels extra sensitive, I use the Recovery Cream Balm as my moisturizing step. In just 1 month, my skin has undergone a complete rejuvenation. The Allies of Skin Copper Tripeptide and Ectoin Advanced Repair Serum is now a staple in my skincare routine, and I highly recommend it for anyone looking to strengthen their skin barrier and achieve a more resilient, healthier complexion.